What's up, America? You back on another edition of the Power Hour with your host, Power. And I had a smile on my face because I already know what I'm going to try to do for this show, man. I just hope that y'all think it's funny. Today's show is going to be entitled Judge Joe Brown. How many Judge Joe Brown fans out there? How many people think Judge Joe Brown is just a little bit off sometimes when he get into his rants and stuff? But I'm sitting up here tripping, man, because I was watching the show this morning, man. And it amazes me how he'll actually start off talking normal, but then he'll go into these rants where he get to saying shit that you don't know what he's saying. So I'm gonna give y'all an example. The example will be a young lady is suing a dude in the court, and the dude is just really messing up. So the judge will say, "Now wait a minute. Now what you need to do is straighten up. Stop being a punk and be a boy. Get some manliness about yourself. I'm here to protect womanhood and protect manhood." And what you do is you went off on a meteorological dissertation, which is in the California state law of statutes. You could be penalized up to 3 years in jail and a $500 fine. But you too stupid to know that. You're sitting here, you're living off this woman, you're not being a man, taking care of your responsibilities of the Decepticons, and then when the Toyota ran down the field, and that's the reason you ain't shit. And you're in here in my court, you can't even stand up. I think you're drunk now. In the California Meteorological State of Statute Courts, it says you can't come to court like this. Miss Holly, pass up the information, please. I'll be like, what the hell wrong with this dude, man? Judge Joe Brown is off the hook. He don't be talking about shit. I mean, I know all the words that he say mean something, but it's like, damn, really, dude, you got to use them big words? Who watched Judge Joe Mathis? Ma'am! Ma'am! Are you high now, ma'am? You're on crack now. Yeah, that's what my mother did to me in Cabrini Greens. She put me out of one school, she slapped the teacher, and now I'm a judge today before you. Ma'am, you think you can pull that game over on me? You're weak. I don't know who you think you are, but you're not big in the court today. You're really small in this courtroom, and you try to come over here with me with that junk, but it's not going to work. I've been around. You can't fool me. And y'all all know Judge Judy. Everybody know Judge Judy. That bitch is just, shut up, bitch! This is my fucking courtroom. Bird, get that bitch. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. This is my courtroom. Man, if you say one word, I'm going to dismiss your case. Case dismissed. Do you think you're going to talk over me? Do you think you're going to... I'm Judge Judy. They don't put me here because I'm beautiful. They put me here because I'm a mean, crazy bitch. Judge Judy, my girl, though, man, for real. So that's just it. That's my little take, man. I love watching them judge shows, man, because Judge Joe Brown, Judge Judy, and Judge Mathis be going off, man. Now Judge Lynn Toller on divorce court, she'll hit your ass up too. I can't really imitate her voice, but I like her because she'll tell you you're trifling in a minute. I'm stuttering this shit. That's my girl. I'm tripping. Judge Toller, excuse me, America. One thing she don't like when you bring the other spouse in there, male or female. So like, let's say like, you know, a couple divorcing, and the dude then brought the new chick and ain't divorced yet, and she be like, and you trifling because you knew he was married, and you slept with him today, and you came in my courtroom and you tried to act like you was so good and you were a woman. Honey, you're trifling. And if he did it to her, he'd do it to you. I'd be like, man, get him, Joe. That motherfucker Joe just sit there like this. Y'all be paying attention to Doyle? That motherfucker Doyle funny. I believe Doyle really smoked that weed, man. They always making references about Doyle smoking weed. Doyle and the Judge Mathis being that back joint, getting them chambers getting hot. But anyway, America, y'all might not think it's funny. I think it's funny, man. I love watching the judge shows. Y'all should holler at them. Thanks for tuning in to this little quick bloopers of my judge shows. Peace.